Alright, so I totally forgot to turn on a mic. Sorry, it was just so hot this morning. But I was just talking about the Mini, getting it completely done. I took off the front bumper to get it to, so I could repaint it. I also got the brakes upgraded, got all that stuff situated and replaced. But I'm going to take you over here and show you the front bumper because I already took it apart. Alright, so this is the front bumper off the Mini. I got it torn down and I started sanding on it. Also the hood scoop. The hood scoop had a indentation into it, I guess from the heat or something, I'm not sure, but the paint was damaged. So I had to sand it down and primer it also. I did put another coat of paint on it because it was bad, so I'm going to redo that. Also, if you guys remember that rear bumper, it had a tear on that top area that there and that top area over there, so that's done. So we're gonna get started on the front again.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Alright, so I just noticed that the audio was off this morning when I came out to explain everything that was going on. I will also attach another video, part of the video of the smart car. We did get that car back together. I will post it up here as well. Just a little clip. Well, I'm not up here. I will post it after this one, after this video here. Just be another add-on to this one. Just a quick update of what's going on. The smart car. We dropped everything down, pulled the head, totally redone the head on it, put it back together, and started up. All that good stuff. It actually is running. It was running okay now. It is running still a little rough as the engine is shaking. It's probably a small misfire. So sorry about that. I had to move into the garage. My neighbor's air conditioning kicked on and it's pretty loud. Other than that, like I was going about the smart car, got it up. It's got like a little bit of a misfire because it's shaking. But Scott had to go out of town, so we'll jump back on that next week. Actually, week after next, because he's going to be gone a whole week. And I got other things I have to do, like finish off the Mini Cooper and also finish his front bumper on the GTO. Just got to paint that one. That's going to be like a yellow color. We'll bring more content on the GTO. But I'm pretty sure we are gonna finish off the Mini Cooper. Like I said, I'm gonna paint the front bumper. I got not all new. Well, I got new fog lights. I just need to finish up the details, like the vents. They need to be all repainted and all that good stuff. So it'll be actually perfect, and then that car be ready to go. I do want to get the window, the rear window. I think it's one window on the side, re-tinted because the tint is bumbling real bad. But after that car is back to 100%, and it'll be up for sale as well. I don't know if anybody wants a 2008 Mini Coupe, Mini Clubman. Everything on it works. The sunroof is still a little bit of a problem. It needs to get realigned, and the only way it could get realigned is through Mini Cooper. And I'm not sure if I want to spend the money to get it realigned. It will open by just touching it a little bit, but other than that, it works just fine. Cadillac update. The Cadillac, I'm still waiting on the intake manifold and some more parts. I did get the torque converter in, which that was a miracle, all of itself. I got the torque converter in. I got some more little odd ends parts for it, but I still have to pull the engine out. I have to pull the engine out because we need to change the reluctor wheel, and also Scott probably he did mention that he probably wanted to do oil squirters in it. So because since it's going to be like a high horsepower engine, you need all the lubrication you can get. Without squirters, most likely the piston's going to heat up, and you don't want that. Even though they coat it, heat coated and all that stuff, you don't want that. So it's definitely going to be probably putting those in. So I'm gonna have to pull the engine out, completely tear it apart, and then put it back together, and then put it in the car. I still haven't got the only thing else I got left is the intake manifold and a dry shaft to get that made, and some other little parts here and there, and also gear selector bracketry, because I'm not sure how it works on that 6L90. The Element, I need to replace I want to replace the engine on it. Even it's not nothing wrong with it. It is making a little more noise than usual, so I don't know if it's the heat doing it or me actually dailying it every day. I'm not sure if that's the problem, but that will be a future video maybe, if I could keep this going. As in the old Roadrunner, only thing I did to it was put carpet in it, but I just set it in there. I didn't actually cut it and glue it down like it's supposed to be. That will be in a later video. And also I need to wire in the fans, because it's actually starting to run a lot better, because I'm starting to run it a lot more often, and it's starting to start up a lot better, because in the beginning I was having such of a hard time getting this car started and keeping it running, because one, I don't know anything about the rockers and all that good stuff. I just don't know, so I just have to learn watching videos. But so I primered the Mini Cooper bumper and the GTO bumper. I have to let them dry, and then I'm gonna have to block them down. I don't think I'm gonna have to re-primer them, especially the GTO bumper. Actually, GTO bumper is actually in very good shape. It had just one little deep scratch, and that wasn't nothing. I could have fixed that in seconds. So it's got primer. All I have to do is wet sand it, paint, and clear coat it, and it's done. The Mini Cooper, I'm gonna have to block it, because it has major chips, paint chips from from the road or whatever. So I'm gonna have to block it, make sure it's very good to go. Some people's like, man, why you waste your time doing it? Most people that buy these cars, they don't really care, and most likely they're gonna trash them anyway. But it's just my own. I don't know how you word it, but it's my own comfortable feeling that I know I gave a good product. I sold a good product, and I know it was in good condition. After that, you could do whatever you want. I just hate to see somebody trash it after I put all that work into it, but it is what it is. So we're gonna keep going. I don't know if I'm hoping if that primer dries fast enough, I can keep working on it, but it is getting extremely hot right now, and I am burning up. I don't even know what time it is right now. I came out here about 7:30, and it was already almost 100 degrees. I think I mentioned that in the beginning of this video, and that was it. It's just hot, and it's just going to be overwhelming next week. So I probably won't have a video out next week. So other than that, we're gonna keep pushing on. Let's get this stuff sanded. I'm not sure if you guys want to see any of that. So most likely I'll probably just jump right into just painting it and getting it going for you, so you can see the little details. And what I'm doing is just basically I want to give motivation to people that want to do this themselves and save thousands and thousands of dollars doing this stuff. I never imagined that I was going to be doing any of this stuff, actually, and it worked out just fine. So let's go ahead and check the Mini Cooper bumper and sand it down, and let's get it painted.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Alright, so I got the Mini Cooper bumper painted and cleared. It was so hot the camera was shutting off. And it had the little temperature dingamabob on the screen, so I had to turn it off, and I couldn't show you guys the clearing of it, but I can show you the actual bumper. Let's take a look real quick. Let's see. Alright, so not too bad for being an outside paint. This is the first time I did not have one single bug. I don't know what it is, but when I do the paint, no bugs. But as soon as you do the clear coat, I mean, every bug in the world comes and say, hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? So other than that, guys, it's time to go in the house. I think I lost like 4 pounds just out here this morning. And I'm probably gonna be dehydrated because my muscles already aching. Okay, so other than that, until then, guys, I will see you later.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up!